Hi, it's Allan from Jennifer at Home, and today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on Jennifer's 2019 Mercedes GLC300. Let's get started. On the GLC300s, the battery is located right underneath this panel. We can identify that it's here because they have a quick access to the positive terminal right here. So there are two clips, one here and one here. You just turn these, that comes loose, and that panel will come right out. Just set it aside, and then here's where the battery is located. Here's the cabin air filter, so we'll take that out next. To remove the cabin air filter, there's a clip on this back side. There's also a clip on this back side here. You literally just push in the tabs. I've done that for you, and the filter comes right out. Thank you for joining me to change the cabin air filter on Jennifer's GLC300. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. Talk to you next time.